morning, everybody. How are you on this beautiful Sunday? Well, I just wanted to tell you I got a package in the mail. I was contacted by a company called GRUB TERRA. Now, you might ask, what does GRUB TERRA make? What do they do, Jan? Well, what they asked me to do a product review on were their soldier fly larvae for our chickens. And y'all, our chickens love this. This is a huge bag. Thank you, GRUB TERRA. There you go. Hold on. Let me get the package open so you can see the whole label. GRUB TERRA. And y'all, their prices are amazing. I would pay, I can't remember what it was now, but what they were asking for, oh yeah, I'd pay for that. So let's go see what the chickens think about this, because that's where the proof is, in the soldier flies. We'll be back. Okay, we're out with the chickens. Look at y'all, this looks so good. If I were a chicken, I'd be gobbling this up. So let's see what they think. Oh, they're so fresh. Totally fresh, and they're huge. Oh yeah. I have to give little bit some too. I mean, they're just devouring. Oops. Oh, sorry, Brutus. These things are amazing. I mean, they're just so, well, there you have it. Gus approves. They love these. I have my tripod way down. Wow, they love these. Thank you, GRUB TERRA. It looks like these are a hit. So we will be investing in your company to help you grow. And y'all, go check out GRUB TERRA, because I am just highly, highly impressed. I want to read some of the facts. Produces stronger eggshells, keeps feathers healthy, farm raised, very important, and 75% more calcium than mealworms. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. And this is a 1 pound bag. GRUB TERRA, every decision we make is focused on healing the earth, and we are doing that by converting food waste into delicious chicken feed using black soldier fly larvae. 1 pound of grub equals 20 pounds of food waste from landfills. Can you believe that, y'all? My goodness. Well, a 16-pound bag feeds up to 5 chickens per month. That's amazing to me. Y'all, they're out in New Jersey. Let's go support this small business and get them growing. Because, you know, the big box stores, you don't know always what you're going to get. And my chickens are so important to me, and what I feed them, that they're getting a healthy, nutritional diet. I want to support these guys. So I'm going to put their link in the description below. Go check them out. They have some fantastic things for your poultry. And I hope you enjoy this product. I am so excited to sponsor them. This is not a paid sponsorship. They were just so kind to send me this free of charge so I could review their product. And I'm telling you, the chickens love it. Y'all be blessed and love well. Bye now.